As we're gearing up for the holidays, you might be dreading the influx of clutter that will come into your home. And if you're not, then let's start thinking about that. If we already have so much things in our home, by the time we finish the holidays, we're going to have a ton of things more. That's why for the next 10 days, we're going to be participating on what I would like to call Declutter November. Every single day, except the weekends, of course, we're going to declutter an area of our home. It might be as little as a drawer or a little bit larger, like a cabinet, but we're going to make it so much fun. So let's kick off the challenge by going into our bedroom drawer, the most jam-packed one that you can find, and we're going to set a 10-minute timer to declutter whatever we can from that drawer. And to make things a bit more interesting, because I know in the beginning of my decluttering journey, it was so hard to let anything go, I'm going to challenge you to eliminate at least 3 things from that drawer today. If you can eliminate more, then wonderful, but at least 3 things. And if they're in good condition and not like intimate, items that we wear, do feel free to donate it as well. I'm cheering for you. This challenge is going to be super duper fun. Make sure you put some fun and upbeat music or a nice podcast that you like to listen to, and I'll see you tomorrow on day 2 of Declutter December. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, to copy the glory. Bye.